Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll discuss an important concept in Power Apps called as vibe coding. So, welcome, and my name is Sanjay Prakash, and I'm a Microsoft MVP Business Applications. And in this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can build business apps faster than ever before using power of AI and natural language. Okay. If you go to make.powerapps.com and click on create, you will find there is an option called as create from blank. When you create from blank, you can directly go to here in the home, and if you go to this URL, if you search vibe.powerapps.com, you will land to the screen where you can develop Power Apps with Vibe coding. So traditionally, app development required writing hundreds and even thousands of lines of code. But today with Vibe coding, you can simply write your requirement in simple language, English language, plain English, and Power Apps help you to generate screens, forms, workflows, and business logic within minutes. Okay, so whether you are a business analyst or a consultant or a citizen developer, student, or a professional developer, this approach can dramatically reduce development time. Okay, and help you focus more on solving business problems rather than writing code. So this vibe coding helps save the time, right? So in this session, I will discuss what is vibe coding, how AI is transforming app development, and also building power apps using natural language prompt. So let's get started. So let's say I want to build an app which will be used to manage notes. Okay, so I will describe my requirement here. Please generate an app to manage daily notes with advanced features. Use Dataverse to store data. Okay. Now, once I have written this, I can also refine this prompt using this option. Enhance the prompt so that the AI will revise the prompt in a better way. Okay. You see how it is revised? Design an app for managing daily notes, leveraging Dataverse for secure and scalable data storage, and so on, right? So one liner is now nicely represented with a better prompt. Okay. Now click on next. Once you click on next, it will automatically take your requirement or your prompt and try to identify or create a plan for you. What screens will be developed, what data table will be developed, data model, what pages will be developed, everything. It will create a plan. The AI will create a plan for you. And once you accept the plan, it will start creating your. Now, before that, it is asking something. Do you want to use this note app using personal use or share for viewing or full collaboration? I want only personal use. Okay. I want to create this note app for my personal use. Do you want to store notes only text only, or you want text and image also? I want text only. So click next. So you have to give all those information. Offline access. Do you want the offline access is required? And you want read only in offline or full offline editing? I want offline editing also. So click on next. Visual style. What is the aesthetic of your app you should expecting for? I want clean minimal. Okay. Or you can also use modern productive, which will give you a Notion style or Obsidian style with blocks and structures. Let me use modern productivity and click on next. Now, whatever you have submitted your response for this queries provided by AI, it will accept your response and develop or write code for you. It will take couple of seconds, sometimes couple of minutes, and your work is done. Let us wait for a couple of seconds and see how the vibe coding understands your prompt and write code for you. No need to write a single line of code. Now see, these are the plans that is going to be executed. Now it is telling, please accept the plan. Yes, accept, submit. Once you submit, it will start writing the code. And after a couple of seconds, your code base is ready and your app will be ready also. Okay. So let us wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Now you can see guys, after a couple of minutes, the app is ready for you. And you can see if you click on publish, this will publish your app and you can now access your app in action. You see, it create a nice left bar or sidebar for you with proper links and proper pages. You can navigate to all notes. You can navigate to the calendar, tags. You can also manage categories and add notes with beautiful pop-ups or dialogues. Let us see. Let me play this app. Now this app is actually built. If you go to the code section, you can see this app is ready using a React app. If you go to here, the app shows, you can see what are the components used and what are the TypeScript and React.js code is generated for you. Okay, you do not need to worry about the code, right? You can just play it and you can see the app in action. So in a couple of minutes, how it developed a nice looking app, modern application using React. You can see that. Now you see, I can click on this plus button so that I can add notes. Let's say I want to add a note here. Click on edit and I can add note here. Go to school to drop kid. Now here also you can mark the tag here. Let's say it is important and you can write note here. Go to school to drop and come back for other work. You can also add notes, other notes of your choice and click on save. Now your new note that is saved here. Okay, you can edit anytime. You can also pin it, which will pin in your left bar. Okay, and you can also edit it, and here you can also mark as which date it is. You can also check the version history. You can also delete note, right? And you can filter notes by important work also here, right? The filters. Okay, so you can also go to settings to manage dark mode. If you want to manage dark mode automatically, dark mode, light mode is introduced. You can export your notes, import notes, right? So I have not, I have just provided to manage, create an app that will be ready to take notes, but the AI is more intelligent to produce this type of app, which is more advanced, isn't it? So try this vibe.powerapps.com and develop apps without writing a single line of code. Thank you everyone watching this video. If you want to take live training on Dynamics and Power Platform or Azure or C# full stack, let me know and drop me an email or give a comment. Thank you.